Hey everyone, welcome back to Earth Before. Today, we're talking about some crazy animals from the past, creatures that nobody told you about in school. Real monsters, real history, and honestly, some of them are scarier than dinosaurs. So let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most famous Ice Age hunters, the saber-toothed tiger, also called Smilodon. This animal wasn't just a big cat, it was a tank with fur, short legs, huge muscles, and those massive fangs. It didn't chase its prey for long. It waited, it exploded with power, and one bite was enough. Imagine walking around and seeing this thing staring at you. Yeah, no thanks. But the Ice Age had something even scarier. The short-faced bear. This bear was huge, taller than any bear alive today, and it wasn't slow or lazy. It was fast, very fast. Scientists think it could chase down animals over long distances, so basically a giant aggressive bear that could run like an athlete. Perfect nightmare fuel. Now let's move to prehistoric Asia. Here lived a creature most people have never heard of, the giant hyena. This wasn't the cute laughing hyena you see today. Nope, this thing was stronger than today's lions, and it had jaws powerful enough to crush bones like crackers. It hunted in packs. It chased down big prey. And honestly, if early humans saw it, they were in big trouble. Next, we go to South America. Here, millions of years ago, a giant bird ruled the land. The terror bird. Tall, fast, silent. But when it attacked, it hit like a hammer. It couldn't fly, but it didn't need to. It just ran straight at you with speed and power. A bird that big running at full speed. Yeah, that's another level of terror. But land animals weren't the only threat. Let's talk about the water. In ancient oceans, a creature lived that looks like something from a horror movie. The giant sea scorpion. This thing had armor. It had long claws. It moved quickly underwater, and it could grab anything that got too close. Just imagine swimming and suddenly seeing a huge armored creature rising from the dark water. Nightmare stuff. Now here's something people don't realize. These creatures lived close to early humans, not millions of years apart, not in fantasy. They were real animals walking on the same earth we stand on today. And somehow, we never learned about them. School teaches the basics. But Earth's history is way bigger, way wilder, and honestly, way cooler. And that's why I make these videos, to show you the side of history nobody talks about, the forgotten creatures, the real monsters, the animals that shaped our world long before us. So, if you enjoy this kind of content, if you like learning things, school never mentioned, go ahead and subscribe to Earth Before, and hit like. It helps the channel more than you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.